Alright, this is a 2014 Trx400x. I just installed a Lexx MXe slip-on exhaust and a dyno jet kit. I put the 165 main, left the pilot jet. I put the needle that was included in the kit also. Figured I'd do a quick video because I looked everywhere on YouTube for sound comparisons with the Lexx. I only found a couple, and there's hardly any videos with the Trx400x. I know it's the same motor as the EX, but I figured I'd do a quick video. Here's what it sounds like. I'll rev it up a little bit. Good. I had the spark arrestor out yesterday and it sounded pretty mean, but I think the neighbors were starting to get annoyed. They're all looking at me, so I put it back in. But there you go, quick clip. If you have any questions, post in the comments.